내가 좋아하는 런닝 게임 스타트. 아파트 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 kissy face since you gone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on, yeah. Come give me something I can feel. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the 아파트 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 whatever you like. Turns up until it's a club. No free party all night. Come and go, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Hold it down,
When marimba rivers start to play, dance with me, like a lazy ocean hugs the shore. Hold me close and sway me more, like a flower bending in the breeze. Bend with me, smooth with ease. But when you dance you have to play with me. Stay with me, sway with me. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway like a weak, I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me feel as though you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. Other dancers may be on the floor, dear, but my eyes will see only you. Only you have that magic technique. When we sway like a weak, I can hear the sound of violins long before it begins. Make me feel as though you know how. Sway me smooth, sway me now. When marimba rivers start to play, dance with me, make me sway, like a lazy ocean that hugs the shore. Hold me close, sway me more.
The art of breaking started on the streets of the Bronx in the early 70s and helped shape the culture of hip-hop as we know it.
It all started with the DJ. The DJs brought the parties. The parties gave people an escape. Once you have DJ and B-boys in the same room, that's the formula that created hip-hop.
Today we take you back to where it all began, to trace the origins of this mesmerizing art form and how it's become the global sensation it is today.
And some breaking, and some scratching, and some breaking, and some graffiti, and some breaking, and then you're gonna see some more breaking. 3, 2, 1, let the power begin!
They shooting. Oh, I made you look. You a slave to a page in my rhyme book.
안나 홍대 마원이 나가라 누구야? 네? 시계가 몇 개였어요? Alright, let's do this. 4, 3, 2, 1!
Awesome. Sí, sabes que ya llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que bailar contigo hoy.
Vi que tu mirada ya estaba llamándome. Muéstrame el camino que yo voy.
Oh, tú eres el imán y yo soy el metal. Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo con pensarlo se acelera el pulso.
Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todos mis sentidos van pidiendo más. Escribiendo malo sin ningún apuro.
Despacito, tu cuerpo despacito. Deja que te diga cosas al oído, para que te acuerdes si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desnudarte a besos despacito. Firmar las paredes de tu laberinto, hacer de mi cuerpo tus humanos quietos. Sube, sube.
Yeah, alright.
It's kind of funny how life can change. In a matter of days.
Sometimes the person mysterious ways. Here you wake up, gone out of trace. I refuse to give, I refuse to give in. You're everything. I don't wanna leave, I don't wanna leave. So if I say one night,
Squad, one night, they teach me about one life. Y'all say